Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. Now if your dishwasher is leaking from round the door, it's probably down to a perished or damaged door seal. It's very easy to sort that out. The old door seal just pulls away all the way round like so. And we're just going to take our new seal and just feed it in the same way that the old one was. Keep feeding it in all the way around. Now if you find you've got too much seal left at the end, you can always just trim off any excess with a pair of scissors or a craft knife. But there we go. Dead easy replacement. Thanks very much for watching.